Good morning, children. Today we will learn our mathematics chapter 6, that is division. Everyone open your book, page number 56. Children, do you know what is division? Yes, children, division means the equal distribution of any number. All of you know it is the symbol of division. Okay, देखो first we know division is also known as the repeated subtraction, but that done at once too. देखो first we know repeated subtraction is division. देखो division is repeated subtraction. देखो here we will do how division is repeated subtraction. We find out the division by repeated addition. Suppose we have to देखो 20 divided by 5. Okay, we find out the answer 20 divided by 5. Okay, देखो first repeated subtraction. First we subtract 20 minus 5. Okay, here we know how many times 5 is going to 20. In this we find out by repeated subtraction. देखो first 20 minus 15. It is the first time subtraction. Okay, first time. Then next 15 minus 5, 10. It is the second time. Second time subtraction. We have to subtract repeatedly. देखो 10 फिर से 10 minus 5. It is the third time. Third time subtraction. 5 फिर 5 0. Fourth time. Okay, yes, देखो how many times? Fourth time. First, second, third, fourth. We subtract 5 from 25 fourth times. Okay, so 5, how many times 5 is going to 20? 4 times. देखो here 4 times. Answer is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, it is proved that the division is the repeated subtraction. Okay, next चलो next step. Next example. देखो next example. Suppose suppose 28 divided by 7. Okay, देखो we find the answer by the repeated subtraction. देखो first 28 first minus 7 21. It is the first time subtraction. First time. Then minus 7 14. It is the second time. Here 11, here 1. Okay, it is the second time subtraction. फिर से minus 7. It is 7 minus. देखो it is the third time subtraction. Third time. Next 7 minus 7 0. Okay, 0 होने तक हमको subtract करना है. It is the fourth time subtraction. Okay, how many times? First, second, fourth, third, fourth. Okay, 7. How many times 7 is going to 28? 4 times. Okay, answer is 4. 20 is divided by 7 is equal to 4. It is proved that the division is a repeated subtraction. We also find the answer of division by repeated subtraction. All understood? Next we know every multiplication has 2 division facts. देखो every division means देखो suppose example 4 into 3. 4 3 जा 12. All of you know 4 3 जा 12. Okay. It is the multiplication fact. It is क्या? Multiplication factor. Multiplication factor. Here we find the division factor. Division factor. देखो. Here 4 3 are 12. In the division factor देखो 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and also 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. So every multiplication has 2 division factor. Here 4 3 are 12 and also 3 4 are 12. Okay. In the division factor 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. All have understood. देखो next example. Suppose 5 into 7. देखो here also 5 7 तो 35. 7 5 also 35. देखो ये देखो 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 and 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Okay. It is proved that every multiplication fact has 2 division facts. Okay. देखो in this way you have to complete page number 57 exercise 6.1 in your book. Next we learn properties of division. Some properties of division. Divides a number by itself. देखो first rule divides a number by itself. देखा children, when we divide a number by the same number we get the number 1. देखो suppose example 5 divided by 5. When we divide a number by the exactly that same number our answer is 1. Okay. Or suppose 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 102 divided by 102 is equal to 1. Okay. In this way, the every number divides by itself exactly. The percent is 1. Okay. Next, dividing by 1. We know the next rule. देखो, what is the second rule saying? That is the first rule. It is the second rule. Rule 2. देखो, dividing by 1. Dividing by 1. When we divide a number by 1, we get the same number. Or 1 divides every number exactly and the question in the number itself. All have understood? देखो, for example, when we divide a number by 1, 8 divided by 1 is equal to, answer is 8. Okay? Suppose 105 divided by 1 is equal to 105. Suppose 50 divided by 1 is equal to 50. All have understood? Then dividing by 0. Dividing by it is 1, then dividing by 0. Children, we cannot divide 0 by any number. We cannot divide 0 by any number. Okay? Or when we subtract 0 from we cannot divide. देखो, we cannot divide any number by 0. Any number by 0. We cannot any number by 0. It is impossible. Also, we cannot 0 by any number. We can divide 0 by any number. Any number. देखो, suppose 0 divided by 5. It is 0. In this way, you have to complete page number 59, exercise 6.2 in your book. Okay, then we know the long division method. Children, in the previous class, all of you know about the division, how we divide a number. In this long division method, we know about more the division. देखो example, divide 96 by 3. देखो here dividend is 96 and divisor is 3. 96 divided by 3. Children, देखो here is the one digit number. We also take देखो in the division we start from the left side of the tens place. Okay, देखो here 9 and 3. First we take one number. Okay, in the देखो how many times 3 is going to 9? How many times? Yes, you also know 3 3s are 9. So in the question place you write 3. 3 3s are 9. You write 9 in the tens place. Then subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0, and the 6 comes down. Yes, in the next step we also count. You read the multiple of 3. How many times 3 is going to 6? Yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 2 times 3 is going to 6. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. All of understood? The answer when we divide 96 by 3, the answer is 32. Here 96 is the dividend. 96 का dividend. And 3 is the divisor. Here it is the divisor place, divisor. And it is the question place, the answer. And it is the remainder 0. 0 is the, here is the remainder. All understood? Here quotient मतलब q is equal to 32, divisor is equal to divisor is equal to 3, remainder is equal to 0. Okay, dividend 96. Okay, देखो next example. देखो divide, another example, divide 884 by 4. Here dividend 884 divided by 4. First we start from the left side, 100 place. Here 100 place is 8. Yes, read the multiplication table of 4. 4, how many times is 4? Is going to 8? 2 times. 4 2s are 8. All of you know 4 2s are 8. 4. Here 2 write in the question place. Then 8. Then subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Then comes down 8. Next step, what we will do? The again read the table of 4. How many times 4 is going to 8? 2 times also. 4 2s are 8. You write 8 and also subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Next comes 4. Yes, 4. Count the table of multiples of 4. 4 1 is 4 0. Okay, our answer is here quotient is equal to 221, divisor is equal to 4, dividend, sorry, okay, it is the dividend, it is the divisor is equal to 4, dividend is equal to 884 and the remainder is equal to 0. Okay, now we check next, we check our division is right or wrong. Okay, now verification. Okay, हमको वेरिफिकेशन करना है कि हमारे जो डिवीजन रिजल्ट पाया वो सही है या गलत है. ओके, देखो we get our वेरिफिकेशन क्या है. वेरिफिकेशन देखो, डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिविजर into quotient. Division into quotient. Okay, how we know that our division जो रिजल्ट पाया वो सही है गलत कैसे जानेंगे. डिविडेंड, this is the rule. This is the when we multiply the division into quotient we get the same answer. Then we know the division is right. देखो yes, देखो the same, suppose 96 divided by 3, 3 3 are 9, here comes to 6, 3 2 are 6. Okay, देखो we check dividend is equal to क्या 96, dividend क्या 96, we divisor into quotient, here divisor is 3 into quotient, here quotient is 32. Yes, 3 into 30, 32 into 3 is equal to 96. 96 is the dividend answer. It is proved that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. In this way we verify our division is right or wrong. Okay, in this way you have to complete page exercise 6.3, page number 61 in your copy. Okay, next division with remainder. देखो चिल्ड्रन, हम जो किए हैं उसका क्या रिमाइंडर 0 आया. ओके, इन दिस डिविजन विथ रिमाइंडर में पाया कि हमारे रिमाइंडर कुछ एक डिजिट आए. देखो डिविजन विथ रिमाइंडर, सपोज 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. देखो चिल्ड्रन, here is the 4 and in the 1's place is 2. So 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. So you take the two number 25. Okay, we take the both number 25. Yes, read the table of 4. Where we get 25? Yes, in the 4 table there is not 25, but we have to count the in the 4 table where is the less than 25. Here 4 6 is 24. We for how many times 4 is? Here we put 6, 24 minus करो 1, remainder is 1. Okay, remainder. Next example देखो, divide 569 by 7. देखो 569 divided by 7. Here देखो we take, देखो here 7, here 5 in the 100, here is the 100 plus में 5, so you take the two number 56. Yes, how many times is it? 7. How many times 7 is going to 56? Yes, all of you know 7 8 is 56. Here you put 8 in the quotient plus 50, 8 7 8 is 56. Here 56 minus 56 is 0 and 9 down. Here count the table of 7 where we get 9. No. Yes, the less than 9, 7 1 is 7. You 2 minus comes 9 minus 7 is 2. Here remainder is 2. Okay. Here we verify our division जो आंसर आया वो सही है गलत है. Okay, we know how we get the dividend. We know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Division into quotient, d into q is equal to divisor क्या 7 into quotient 81. Okay, 81 into 7. देखो 81 multiply by 7. Sorry, plus remainder. Here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. देखो plus remainder क्या 2. Here 7 1 just 7, 56, 5 6 7. When we multiply 81 into 7, 5 6 7 plus 2 is equal to 5 6 9. 5 6 9 is the dividend. We get the same answer. Okay, it is a proof that our division is right. In this way you have to do exercise 6.4 in your copy. Next we learn the long division method. Okay, all of you, thank you.